In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Salesforce Authenticator. 5 minutes. We'll start right inside Salesforce. First, sign in to your Salesforce account so you're on the home screen in Lightning Experience. Make sure you have your mobile device nearby since you'll be pairing it shortly. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and open your profile menu. This is the menu that shows your avatar or initials. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to your personal settings area, where you control how your account behaves and how you secure it. In the left-hand sidebar, navigate to the Personal section and open Advanced User Details. This page is where Salesforce stores key settings about your account, including options for multi-factor authentication. If you don't immediately see it, use the Settings search bar to find Advanced User Details, as naming and placement can vary slightly by org layout and permissions. On the Advanced User Details page, you'll see two choices for securing your logins. The first is One-Time Password Authenticator. Choose this if you prefer using a standard authenticator app that generates 6-digit codes. Common examples include apps you may already use for other services. With this option, Salesforce will display a QR code or a secret key. Open your Authenticator app on your phone, add a new account, scan the code or enter the key, and you'll start seeing time-based codes. When Salesforce asks for a verification code, type in the current 6-digit code from your app. Be sure to give the entry a clear label in your authenticator so you can recognize it later, especially if you manage multiple accounts. The second option is Salesforce Authenticator. Pick this if you want a streamlined push notification experience. After selecting it, open the Salesforce Authenticator app on your phone and follow the prompts to connect your account. Typically, you'll either scan a QR code or enter a short pairing phrase displayed on screen. Enable notifications on your device so you can approve login requests with a single tap. This is a great choice if you value speed and clear activity history for your approvals. After you've selected your preferred method and completed the on-screen pairing steps, review any confirmation messages and save changes if prompted. The next time you sign in, Salesforce will ask you to verify using the method you just set up. That's expected and confirms everything is working. If your organization has specific security policies, simply follow any additional prompts shown by Salesforce. You're all set to use stronger protection for your account.